Alright, we're doing a brake job on a BMW 335D, and I want to talk about why a brake job from BMW will cost almost $2,000. The first thing is the parts markup. So down here we just have the brake pads. These are OEM brake pads. The total list price adds up to $432.98 for front and rear. The actual price that I paid was only $164.87 plus tax. Ended up being $177.65. So right there, they're making money off of you just on the parts. Next are the rotors. Often, they will tell you that the rotors cannot be resurfaced and that you must buy new rotors. These are some freshly resurfaced rotors. You can see on the rotor hat, it even tells you what specifications the rotor can be resurfaced to. That's in millimeters. Now, because I'm in America, the person who resurfaced these rotors used inches. So on the top number, you see my current rotor thickness. The bottom number is the acceptable thickness from BMW. So we'll go ahead and throw these freshly resurfaced rotors on, add that to the pad cost. These resurfaced rotors cost $30. The back rotors had no run out and did not need to be serviced. Those cost $0. So when you add the $30 plus the $177.65, the total cost of this, if you do your own labor, is only $207.65. So you're basically doing the front and rear brakes for about 10 cents on the dollar. All right, one more brake machining story. These were on my Corvette, and I had dropped the Corvette off for warranty work, and the dealer said that I needed new brakes to the tune of $2,000. And again, it was just the rotors. The run out on the front rotors was off. And so I had these rotors machined. The dealer will say that you can't machine rotors with slots in them, and that is false, because these are machined. I'm showing you here. This is my current rotor thickness. This is the acceptable thickness from Chevy. Same over here. So machining the rotors on this car was only $15 a piece, and so I saved quite a bit of money doing this. That is all I have for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.